How to turn on and enable passcode on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Dropbox app. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top corner, click on those three lines right here. After you click on them, now go down, click on settings option down here. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Click on configure passcode. After you click on it, now you can click here and add your password as you want, for example like this, and re-enter your password. Now I just turned on my passcode, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.